Before we start, don't forget to subscribe to this YouTube channel. In this channel, we will share some common problems with your house and how to deal with them. Well, here we are. We've arrived at our first location. Let's see what we have in store. This door ideally needs to be completely replaced, and it's dropping because of the weight of this double glazed unit, and obviously that there is no joint at all. It's just been butted and a bit of glue. So this is an extractor hood, and the problem with these, it's recirculating. If the carbon filters aren't changed, and if you're doing a lot of cooking, you're probably looking at 2 months. It then just starts to not work as it should, and all of the grease and vapors still come through and leave staining on your walls just above it. This is something you don't see every day. A door that opens inwards and somebody has set the latch the wrong way around. Unbelievable. I'm going for a strong cup of coffee, and hopefully my next visit will be better than this. But so this is the life of a surveyor on the road. There's no cozy restaurants or cafes. This is how it has to be. We're basically underneath the garden and what we call walk on skylight, but we do have a lot of water coming in different areas. There's on the wall, on the ceiling, the corner of the wall as it meets the cornice there, and that's it really. We now need to investigate upstairs. So these white marks here and the delamination in the black paint perimeter is signs that water is creeping in, and some of it will creep in between our metal angle and will go into there, and the other will creep in between the joint of the metal and the tile, and that's what will appear in the wall below. It will cause entry points into 2 areas. Although, you know, that's the weak point here. If the ceiling runs out slightly, water will follow the run of the ceiling to the lowest point. So the leak can be over there, but the entry point can be over here, or it can even be as far as 2 meters away sometimes. It just depends on the fall of the ceiling, on where the weakest point is for it to escape. Thanks for that. All right. Thanks very much. So guys, as you can see, just a small amount of rust will cause a lot of trouble. As soon as you see any signs of water coming in and you've got metal in contact with water, get somebody to have a look at it. The quicker you repair it, the quicker you can fix it. I'm off now for a drink, a soft drink that is, no alcohol, till I get home. So be good and see you next week.